everybody, I'm Lauren with Ohio Power Tool, and today we're celebrating Metabo USA's 50th anniversary with new tools and limited time deals. Stick around to learn more. Metabo is known for making some of the best power tools in the industry, and this year they're celebrating 50 years of business in the US. While Metabo's parent company was established in Germany in 1923 with a simple hand drill, it wasn't until 1971 in Long Island that Metabo USA was founded. By this time, the company had already developed and released the first one-handed angle grinder with Metabo's exclusive S-Automatic safety slip clutch. A decade later, in 1981, they moved to their current location in Westchester, Pennsylvania, where they would evolve into one of the most respected, quality-oriented tool manufacturers on the market today. To celebrate 50 years, Metabo has put together a few limited edition kits and designed a special blacked out anniversary edition of the 4.5-inch, 5-inch Pro Series angle grinder, the WP11 125 Quick. This grinder was specifically chosen because it's one of their top-selling angle grinders of all time, and for good reason. This grinder is also available as a kit, which includes the grinder, a heavy-duty pocketed tool bag, a 5-inch clip-on Type 1 cutting wheel guard, 7-piece 4.5-inch abrasives demo pack, and this cool collectible 50th anniversary Metabo bottle opener. Along with the limited edition grinder, Metabo has also released 3 other 50th anniversary kits. The first is a brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit, which includes an 18V hammer drill driver, 1/4-inch hex 12-speed impact driver, 2 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery packs, and an air-cooled 12V 36V charger, the limited edition bag and bottle opener, and a 32-piece battery bit box. Metabo has also released a new recip saw and impact driver combo kit. This kit includes the 18V reciprocating saw, the 1/4-inch hex 12-speed impact driver, a 5.5 Ah and a 4.0 Ah lithium HD battery, a charger, and the limited edition all-black heavy-duty tool bag. The last of the new kits is a brushless cordless angle grinder and impact driver combo kit. This kit features an 18-volt angle grinder, the 1/4-inch hex 12-speed impact driver, one 5.5 Ah and a 4.0 Ah LIHD battery, a charger, and the limited edition tool bag. Not only are these kits great as is, but in honor of their 50th anniversary, we're running a limited time promotion on them right now as well. So while supplies last, when you buy any Metabo 50th anniversary combo kit, you'll also be able to get 50% off a select bare tool. These also all qualify for free shipping, and Metabo made the deal even sweeter by creating their own giveaway. So each of the 50th anniversary kits include a contest entry form, which you can fill out to enter to win a special gift from Metabo. The giveaway runs through December 10th, and a new winner is announced every Friday on their social media pages. That's it for us today. I don't know about you, but these are definitely top of mind for me as gift options to consider. And speaking of holiday shopping, be sure to check out all of these items and more at ohiopowertool.com. We even have a full gift guide live on our website now to help you find the perfect gift for anyone you're shopping for this holiday season. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.